Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to control camera on your Apple Watch Series 10. Let's get started. So basically now we are gonna use your watch as a camera remote for your phone. Let's test it. Firstly, click on the digital crown to open the app list and then scroll down until you'll find this app which looks like a camera. Click on it and after this on your phone will also open the camera. And you should be able to see the preview from your phone. And yes, here is it how it looks. You can see it. So now let's talk about how to use it as a camera remote. So as you can see, we got here 3 seconds timer, but clicking on these 3 dots, we can see some settings for the camera remote. For example, here we can enable or disable the timer. Here we can choose the camera, which can be front or rear. Also, we can enable or disable the flashlight. I'll turn it on. And also here we can see the live photo, auto on off, and HDR. So this is all of the settings for the camera remote. Now let's click it on and try to make a photo. So I'll aim my camera on this flower and then click the photo button. And yes, as you can see, it has been made in with a flash, and here is it how it looks. Now you know how to use your Apple Watch as a camera remote. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.